Welcome back to day number 2 of the 7-day water fasting challenge. Today is coming to a close. So for those of you that have stuck with it so far, we've only got one more hard day and then 4 days of smooth sailing. So let's stay motivated, let's stay at it. Now I'm not going to make you sit through me counting all of my repetitions for the push-ups, sit-ups, and squats. I'm going to go right through all 3 of those exercises now in a high-speed edit, and we'll get to the new exercise that we're going to add next. Okay guys, today let's add an oblique stretch into it. My daughter Alexis likes to call these the penguins. You're going to take both feet, put them together, arms straight, slightly off your body, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cock your body sideways to where this hand goes straight down to touch the inside of your knee here. And then back up and back down. Now, it looks like a penguin because once you get into it, and you do not have to touch all the way inside the knee. That's just where you're aiming. You want to keep your hands straight. Now we're going to do 1 set of these today. We're going to do 25 reps for each side. So go ahead and count with me. We'll start off left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, when you do this exercise, you want to come down so far that all of this lays and pulls really tight. If you do it right, you feel it all up inside your obliques here. And then when you pull back, your oblique here pulls back this way when you go down. So whichever side you're pulling on, that's how it's going to pull. Okay guys, that'll do it for day number 2. Check back tomorrow. Stay with me, and remember, comment on the video to let me know you're still with me. Let's do this. 5 more days to go, baby. Yeah!